And efforts are being made to provide education and healthcare to street children. Concerned government agencies and non-government organizations are involved in such undertaking. This report from Freddy Abando.
The government is now involving other stakeholders in addressing the problem of street children in Metro Manila. Education and the Department of Social Welfare launched the Partners for Health and Education with the cooperation of 53 non-governmental organizations to ensure street children go to school and are healthy.
Mahalaga na ang lahat, lalong-lalo na yung tinatawag nating batang kalye, ay malikom at magkaroon ng pagkakataong mag-aral. Aming nakita na yung mga NGOs na meron ng programa para sa mga batang kalye ay mahalagang makasama namin, makaugnay namin at makatrabaho namin para mas madaling ma-identify itong mga lugar na ito at mga batang ito.
Based on data of the DSWD, there were 3,702 street children in Metro Manila. This is based on the 2010 census of the NSO and the DSWD's rapid appraisal in Metro Manila. Another 3,703 children were identified as occasional street children during the Christmas holidays and summer vacations. 3,524 are children of 1,510 homeless street families registered under the Modified Conditional Cash Transfer Program. They are engaged in earning income from all sorts, resting and playing with peers, and what's dangerous is they are exposed to high-risk behaviors. Many of them start as infants to 17 years old. The program aims to come out with a strategy to attract these children to learning, bring education to them directly.
The target of every single one of those who are attending this workshop is to make sure that in a year or two, no one child is left behind. Every single street child that we see in NCR will have access to an educational and health program that will be a convergence between DSWD, DepEd, and Department of Health. How do you do this?
CNN hero Efren Peña Florida's Carton sa Escuela is emerging as the perfect example of school on wheels, which could reach out to the street children.
We have collaboration. We need to collaborate with the communities, with the LGUs, with the mga existing NGOs. So we have to work with them. Kasi hindi ko naman dadalhin yung mga volunteers ko from Cavite to here to NCR eh. Kasi iba nga, sabi nyo nga, iba yung kultura, iba yung belief, iba yung ugali nila dito. Ang unang taong mga nakakaalam nito is the people in the community. So that's why we have to work with the LGUs and these organizations that present here right now, work together.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.